We're mixing bags of concrete here at Treasure Life Family Farms today. Isabella's in charge of our water. We cut 2 of those orange juice jugs so they hold 2 quarts. So she puts in 1 in the mixer. And then I dump a bag of concrete, a 60-pounder in there. So we got 2 quarts in a 60-pound bag. Then she dumps the other 2 quarts in there. Then I dump another bag. We let it mix. I've got my little quart jar sitting here handy. She keeps that about half full for me. And then I finish off our mix. Usually I'd give it another little drizzle, maybe fourth of a quart or something like that. If the concrete's too dry, I add in a little bit to get her smooth, a little looser. I've got a guy that's up here. We've set these pallets. This is all my tractor will lift. About 1,300 pounds, 22 bags of 60 pounds. And then, you know, depending on how close or far it is, it's about all the tractor will lift before the back wheels start getting a little light. So we put this on the pickup so it's up high. We don't want to be lifting these bags off the ground when the tractor can put it in the pickup. My boy puts 2 back here for me, so I'm ready for my next batch. We mounted the mixer on a pallet so that our lovely driver back there can just lift it up and drive it right up to where we're pouring the concrete. This is what we've done so far with about 30 bags or so. This crew is busy screeding it, smoothing it out, putting the bolts in. They're the hardest workers we got. And so that's where we're heading. We're hoping to finish out all the way to the end in the next 2 or 3 hours. And have a nice little concrete pad here. That's our process. We've tried to take as much of the manual labor out of it as we can, as much of the lifting as we can. That's a little drier than we've been doing, so I'm going to give it just a touch of water and then we'll go dump it.